Hi, I'm Seng. So today to share with you the broadcast function in the FeedMe Connect. In the FeedMe broadcast function, you can broadcast for the SMS, WhatsApp, and email. And you can separate or create a customer group for you to broadcast for it. Thank you.
Okay, first log into your FeedMe portal, go to Setting, then click on License Order and click Purchase License. Then in this page, you can add your email address by key in and fill in it. After that, just click Save. For the WhatsApp, just click here and use your phone to scan this WhatsApp code or use the pairing code. Fill in the phone number and get the OTP. Once you log in, it will show like this. And from here, you can set your WhatsApp default sender. After that, just click Save. From here, you can set how many messages to send per second. So default is 20, so you can set by 1 second, send for 1 WhatsApp message. After that, just click Save. So here's the charges for the SMS and WhatsApp. The charges based on the standard plan or premium plan. So premium plan will charge cheaper and you need to top up the credit with the SSD. So the calculation like this. But for the email, only 11 ringgit for 1000 email. Go to the previous page, go to setting and go to connect. Then in campaign tab, just click broadcast. So from here, you can click create campaign and you can send some message, for example, for apologies or for the voucher expiry reminder, or you can click for the custom campaign. For example, you want to set for voucher expiry reminder, click here, just click start. Then you can put a campaign name, for example. Then you can put on a description. Then you can set a fix or repeat. Repeat means you can set for every Monday, or can set by your own, or you can set by every month or every year also can. Fix means for one time only. Then just click next. Then set for the terms and conditions. Let's say for all of your customer or some of your customer group or your custom audience. For example, you can set for birthday, birthday week, birthday month or others. So in this case, I put all audience. Then I click next. So from here, you can set the message like there's a coding to put like how many days to expire, and you can click on the preview message. It will show something like this. So this is SMS, then it will charge per SMS. So if you want to know more, you can contact us. Then this for the WhatsApp template, you can edit for the WhatsApp message and the email as well. One SMS only allowed for 160 character, for example. So it shows the use character. Now is 160 character. Let's say I put another one. So it will use for another SMS. It will show like this. After that, just click submit. Then it will start send already. If you want to delete, just click here to delete it. You also can set which outlet to blast your SMS, email or WhatsApp. Furthermore, you also can duplicate your campaign as well. Just click here and duplicate the campaign. That's all for today. Thank you.
Cari posisi, cari